Good morning, dear students. Let's start circles. Students, here I am sharing you again the important remark. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. Students, you can see from the diagram, here we have a circle and this line is a tangent to the circle and OP is the radius. And radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Now here we have the second remark. Again, I am sharing you. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Here P is the external point and from P we are making two tangents PA and PB. And the length of these two tangents must be same. So in this way students, let's start exercise 10.2 question number 7. Two concentric circles are radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Students, here we have circles that are concentric. Concentric means those circles which have the same center with different radius. So here you can see from the diagram, we have radius 5, one circle of radius 5 and second circle of radius 3. And we need to find the length of the chord of the larger circle. Students, see from this diagram, chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So students, at P point the chord AB of the larger circle touches the smaller circle. Given here, let two concentric circles be C1 and C2 with center O. AB be chord of the larger circle C2 which touches the smaller circle C1 at point P. Now we need to find the length of AB. Solution is join OP, OA and OB. You can see here diagram OP, OA and OB. OP is the radius of smaller circles, so it must be of 3 cm. OA and OB are the radius of the larger circle, so it must be 5 cm. Since AB is tangent to a circle C1, so OP is perpendicular to AB. Students, I have explained you just the important remark. In that one you have studied that if a tangent touches the circle at the point of contact and same at the point of contact, radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So students, in this way, this is the remark. In this way we get angle OPA is equals to angle OPB, that is equals to 90 degree. So students, here using the Pythagoras theorem, we know that square of hypotenuse is equals to square of perpendicular plus square of base. Now in triangle OAP, this one triangle, here OA is the hypotenuse, that is equals to 5 and OP is 3 and AP as it is. We need to find the AP. So in this way 25 minus 9, that is 16, and we get AP is equals to 4 cm. Similarly students, you can see from this one, because AOP, OPB both are congruent triangles. Students, आपके पास यहाँ alternate method हो सकता है कि आप दोनों triangles का congruent show कर दें. इसके लिए हम 3 conditions find करेंगे, जिसमें कि OA is equals to OB है, जिसे हम कह सकते हैं both the radius are equal. OP is equals to OP, that is the common, and you can see here angle APO is equals to 90 degree is equals to OPB. In this way two triangles are congruent. In this way PB must be same 4 cm as AP. So students, आपके पास two methods हैं. आप second method in right triangle OPB may be hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square method use कर सकते हैं. In this way we get the same result on calculating. Now students, you can see here the complete length of the chord is AP plus PB. 4 plus 4, that is equals to 8 cm. Now here we have question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD. You can see here ABCD is a quadrilateral, is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC. So students, let's start the solution. Given Let ABCD be the quadrilateral circumscribing the circle with center O. The quadrilateral touches this circle at point. You can see here the quadrilateral ABCD touches this circle at point P, Q, R and S. So in this way, you can see that we need to prove AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC. Let's start the solution. You can see here A is the external point and you have just already studied about the from external point length of tangents are equal. So in this way we get AP is equals to PS. Similarly students, BP is equals to BQ. So we get second result. Similarly CQ is equals to CR and DR is equals to DS. Now students, here we get the four equations. On adding these four equations, we get AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equals to AS BQ CQ plus DS. So students, in this way, if we take together AP plus BP, in this way we get AB. Similarly, CR DR we get CT. And in the right hand side, AS plus SD we get AD, BQ plus CQ we get BC. So in this way, the result is we get the required result, hence proved. Now here we have question number 9. That's really very important question. In the figure, XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O. Another tangent AB, you can see that this one tangent with a point of contact at C intersecting XY at A. किस पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करता है? एट पॉइंट ए. एंड x dash y dash at B point. Prove that angle AOB, that means AOB is equals to 90 degree. We need to prove this one. So students, इसके लिए मैं आपको वर्किंग रूल शेयर कर रही हूँ. Given is xy is tangent at point P, x dash y dash is tangent at point Q, and xy is parallel to x dash y dash. And also AB is tangent at point C. Now we need to prove angle AOB is 90 degree. So here we have the proof. First join OC. And for tangent AB and radius OC, OC is perpendicular to AB. You can see here that OC is the radius, AB is the tangent. So this must be of 90 degree. Now students, here first look at the shaded two triangles, green and blue. We need to prove these two triangles must be congruent. So students, for the same, we need to find the three conditions. First one is OP is equals to OC, both are equal in length because of radius. Similarly, AP is equals to AC because length of tangent drawn from external point are equal in length. And here OA is common to both the triangles. In this way, these two triangles are congruent by SSS congruence rule. So students, in this way we get AOP angle is equals to AOC. AOP is equals to AOC. Students, हमने यहाँ इन्हें equal proof किया है. Now students, similarly in triangle BOC and triangle BOQ, we again prove these two triangles are congruent. So students, in this way you can see here OC is equals to OQ because of the radius. Here both are the radius. And BC is equals to BQ, length of tangent drawn from external point to a circle are equal. And here OB is common. आप देख सकते हैं बिल्कुल सेम ही हमने conditions ली हैं. So in this way these two triangles are congruent. So by CPCT we prove the triangles equal. Now students, here you can see that PQ is a straight line. Okay, and we know that a straight line is of 180 degree. In this way we add these four angles. You can also write here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Add these four angles equals to 180 degree. And here you can see that angle AOP is equals to angle AOC. So we will write AOP as angle AOC. Similarly, angle BOC is equals to angle BOQ we will write both angles equal. So both becomes a double, and here 2 will go to the right hand side in the denominator. So in this way we get angle AOC plus angle BOC is equals to 90 degree. Now students, see this result in the diagram. AOC plus BOC is equals to 90. So students, together it becomes AOB is equals to 90 degree. So this is our required result. Hence proved. Students, in the today's session, we have discussed the most important questions for CBSE point of view. So students, do more practice, and thank you for watching the complete video.